So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens to search. Before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Google Chrome. Here in the voice icon, near that you can see an icon of a camera. Click on that. Then Google Lens will open in your Android smartphone, or you can directly go to Google Lens app directly. After going to the Google Lens, you can search with your camera too. I am searching with an image. For example, let's take this image and search. Here you can see I have searched for this character and everything about has been shown in the result. If I search his whole image, then you will be able to find the whole image too. That's how you can search for different images, or you can translate things using this translate option. Let me show you. Here you can click on translate and translate in various languages you want. Let's select English. Here you can see the language is translated. So that's how you can use Google Lens to search or to translate. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.